Okay, it is recording.
Ah! You pulled my hair out. You yanked it and pulled it and pulled it and yanked it.
The Bootsy perspective. Okay. I'm gonna go on the other side. You're bored. Let me get it from the Bootsy perspective. Hang on.
Ah, just pull my hair out, Daddy. Jeez. Probably is. I should probably stop this. There's gonna be hair on everything we just wiped off. No more. You get it? That's enough. That's enough for you. Oh, mama. Because you bit me. Don't bite me.
Bootsy girl, what are you doing?
Smile. Say cheese.
Oh, that's it. I didn't brush my hair. Okay.
Say cheese. Ready? Put both of us together. Say cheese. Cheese.
Cheese. Oh, Uncle, I don't like this. It's a camera. I bite you. I bite you.
Did you get it or did she turn?
Yeah, I got it. I got everything. Come on. I got it on camcorder.